beautiful house with 4 panda lives there. And I think it's kind of important for you to take a picture inside because they might be the 4 richest panda living on this planet. Yeah, because they're living in a house which costs the Ocean Park 80 million Hong Kong dollar to visit. It's like over 10 million US dollar. So that's why I think it's kind of important for you to take a picture in the house, right? So why the house is so expensive? Then of course, inside the panda house, there's no plasma TV, no expensive furniture, Then do you have any idea what makes the house so expensive? What is the reason why this house is so expensive? Temperature, that's right. So then how can we control the temperature? Then it's all because of the air conditioning system. Actually, for the panda house, they have a very advanced system for the humidity and temperature control. So they always keep the temperature in the house is between 16 to 19 degrees. And then another reason to make the house expensive is because all the bamboo trees inside the house and all the decorations, they are all getting from the hometown of the panda bear. Okay, of course, everybody knows panda comes from China, right? But particularly panda is come from a province called Sichuan province. So all the bamboo trees, all the facilities in the house, they all get imported from the Sichuan province, and that's why it costs a lot of money to finish up this house. So then, after everybody visits the panda house, then we can go for the cable car ride, and then after the cable car on the top of the mountain, that's where we find all the major aquariums. Okay, then the biggest aquarium is called Atoll Reef. Atoll Reef. That is already nearby all the roller coaster games area. Then besides, also we have another aquarium is called the Pacific Pier. That's for sea lions and seals. Okay. Then don't forget, also on the top of the hill, everybody can go for a dolphin show. And then for the dolphin show schedule will be at 3:30. Okay, 3:30. You don't have to remember all this. Later on, when we arrive at the park entrance, we'll get you a map of the park and also a show schedule. But only for your idea, the dolphin show schedule will be at 3:30. Okay, you look at the map, see according by which game you're interested more, and then you can go for all the facilities during your free time. Okay. Then don't forget, for the cable car journey, it takes us about 15 minutes to ride from the bottom to the top or from the top to the bottom. So that's why if we meet everybody by 5:30 from the same entrance, then that means everybody should start riding the cable car from the top as latest by 5 p.m. Okay, that's the time you should ride the cable car already, because sometimes you might need to line up a little bit. All right. Okay. And one more information about food. Okay, basically all over the park we can find all the different food kiosks for sandwich, for chicken leg, noodles like that. But sometimes, okay, we have some of our guests, they only like to eat rice. They want char siu rice, Peking duck rice. Then when you go to the top, you can look for the direction to the escalator. Then just near the escalator, that is the only restaurant you find they got rice or noodles that sell. For the other area, near the Atoll Reef, near the roller coaster, and that's where you find the McDonald's, and also for the other food kiosks, mainly they only serve like sandwich or some snacks only. Alright? Okay. 5 Garden Plus to be more careful about food and drinks for going to Disneyland. Okay? Is there any questions? I find everybody now you more look like a Chinese to me now. When we are at the pier, everybody still look like you come from the Philippines. You got bigger eyes earlier. Now your eyes are even smaller than mine. I think I more look like a Filipino now. Okay, yeah. I think everybody all get very early this morning. Okay, in Hong Kong. So then I just don't want to keep doing blah blah blah. When we get to the park, shall we take a little short break? We'll take about 10-15 minutes. Then we'll take a little rest first. Okay. So if you have any question, then please let me know. All right. Thank you. I thought everybody's so sleepy already. Yeah.
Ay, ang galing. Wala sa amin. Wala niyo pa. Wala niyo. Pagkagawa ko sa sarili ko yan, ito kung nawa ko. Dapat silapitan mo naman. Oo, ilagaw mo siya. Bakit? Ha? Robert, ano kulay battery? Battery ko dyan.
Ano?
Ano kulay ng battery ng cellphone?
Ano na yung cellphone ko? Gray.
Anong kulay? Anong kulay?
Bakit yung cellphone?
Oo.
O yan balamin, ilam.
Ay!
We're in a tunnel.
Oh,